Hey guys, we're doing a Nerf video today. It's me versus Marcos. Everyone else can't play because it's kind of early. So we're gonna be doing a first-person shooter. Marcos is gonna have the camera.
Yeah, bro.
Downstairs. You get shot, you're out. So let's go.
3, 2, 1. Let's do this thing. Oh my gosh! Oh my god! Ah, I've been hit! I've been hit! Ow! Alright, I'm upstairs this time. Harrison won the first round. Oh, look at that. Random weapon. 3, 2, 1, go! Did I hit you? Did I hit you?
I'm gonna shot!
Alright, we're going to 4 rounds. So it's 1-on-1. It's 1-2-1. And you have to win, I think, 3. So yeah, let's do this thing. 5 rounds. Alright, I'm downstairs again. Let's do this thing. You ready? 3, 2, 1. Already shot. Behind the scenes. I know it sucks having to reload. Alright, kid. Boom, baby. 3, 2, 1, begin! Oh my god, it's jammed! We both have 2 wins. The next win is the champion.
Oh yeah!
I'm downstairs this time. But to make it fair, we should both be downstairs. How about those apples? Alright, we're both gonna be downstairs. Starting on opposite sides. Alright, let's do this. 3, 2, 1. forget to like and subscribe. Goodbye. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you like and subscribe. Harrison won. And we'll see you next time. Goodbye.